What a bad day I have today. Well, we are getting closer and closer to reality. As we know, about 50% of fights with knives end up on ground. So what should I do in this position? Why is it always me? We'll see. Like we said, about 50% of the fights do end up on the ground because either I wanted to take him down, or maybe we just fell because there were obstacles, there was blood, anything can happen in street fight, and we ended up on the ground. So what should we do with it? If we look at this, multiple, almost every single system completely forgets about fighting with a knife on the ground, completely abandons some wrestling with a knife. But if it's so current that it happens in every second knife fight, why would we throw this out of the training? The thing about the ground fighting is that there's a million options how we can end up on the ground. Was it from the clinch and we were close to each other and we fell here? Maybe we are in completely different positions and we are in headlock and now I'm here. The same can be said if we are already laying and it's somewhere in the side position. So now I'm here. Or so we are in top mount and now I'm fighting here. All those are different to each other and you need to train every single one of them to not get surprised. Of course, we could be talking about every single position, how to train it, what to do with it, but just for the purpose of this video, because those are for trainings, for the purpose of this video, we are going to pick a very famous position. If you've seen the film Ryan, it's going to look something like this. So I'm going to be in top mount and I am going to try and go through here to the chest. So maybe he's holding somewhere here. Now, what options do we have from here? Of course, just like when we were standing up, the main key is going to be not letting me to step through you, and another would be to hit me with the second hand to somehow try to give me a reason to stop the fight. If I am going to be upright, like I am right now, it's going to be easier to go and strike me to the face. But what will happen if we are going to get a little bit closer? If I am getting closer, now the strikes to the head are not going to be very sufficient. It's going to be very no power. But right, like because it's SORUDO, we are using the safety net system. So from here you can see my throat and eyes are very close. So in this instance, if you can, you should try and go for the eyes to create that opening and then you can strike. So now when he created the distance, for example, of pushing me away from the eyes, and now I'm here, now it's going to be harder to strike me right to the head because I'm way too far, but I can still continue and go through with a step. But because you need to shorten the distance, now you can attack something different. So we had neck, eyes. What is free now? Well, the testicles. So I'm going to bend over after getting hit probably. I'm going to be somewhere here. And now you can continue with the strikes. And so here we are combining three things in total. First one is blocking, then striking, upper or lower, or combining, and then bridging me off of him and following me. So now he can continue to strike. Now I'm in the worst position. The same can be said that he doesn't have to follow me, but he can start kicking me. So again, the same thing. I'm here, I'm trying, I'm getting hit, he bridges me, and now I'm just getting kicked, and he created the distance for getting his weapon. You need to train all of those things that we just showed you. First, you should be starting from more static positions. So just practicing, can I strike? Am I far enough? Is he far enough? Should I go for the eyes? Of course, always be careful for the eyes. So train with them very carefully. And then, if you want to put it into more realistic, you are going to grab on helmets and really go full power, because you need to practice when it's full dynamic and the partner actually wants to step you. You will find that there are many complicated things that you need to take care of, but you need to train them accordingly. And even better, for the guy who having a knife, grab some big pads, because if he's going to kick you, you want to be protected as well. But as with all of these videos, definitely do not share them, because in what the world will be living in, that if someone punches you, stabs you, or trips you, you are going to fall down. Gravity doesn't work, and I would never fall down. I don't know, never. I'm just that good. So of course, that's why you don't have to share this video, because how could it happen? Maybe if you know some different positions that are giving you problem in trainings, or you think you are not maybe training them properly, let us know in the comment section so we can have a deeper look at them. For us, this has been all. Like we said, we just picked one small position to show you the principles of the ground fighting, but there's many things that you need to take into consideration when we are fighting on the ground. For us, this has been all. Thank you for watching till the very end. Leave a like if you did enjoy, and subscribe to see a couple of more problems when it comes to facing a knife attack. So, we'll see you in those ones.